it's me Ina again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make pork ear sisig. So, ito po ang ating mga kailangan para sa ating sisig. Okay, so meron na akong prepared boiled ear dito. Then, i-sprinkle lang natin siya ng black pepper, salt, and powdered garlic. And then, kung meron kayong cast iron like this, pwede yung gamitin yun, o kaya yung grilling pan. Pwede rin naman na iihaw nyo sa uling. Mas masarap. Okay? So, kailangan sa medium heat lang siya. Okay, so gugupitin lang natin siya ng maliliit para magkasya sa pan nyo, sa grilling pan nyo. And kung outdoor naman, okay lang siguro kahit hindi nyo na igupitin. And then i-flip nyo lang siya hanggang maging parang golden brown siya. So, yung iba gumagamit ng pork belly, any ano naman pwede nyo gamitin eh. Yung pork snout. So, ako, pork ear lang. Yun lang ang gagamitin natin ngayon. Ayan. So, this is almost done. Pag nakita nyo na yung ganyang color, pwede na natin yan i-put on the side. Then, i-chop na natin siya ng maliliit. Okay, so, na-chop na natin ng maliliit yung ating pork ear. So, lalagyan lang natin siya ng 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and then, lagyan din natin ng chopped onion. Yung kalahati lang ang ilalagay muna natin. And then, of course, yung 1/4 cup of pork liver. Then, lagay na rin natin yung ating mayonnaise, 2 tablespoon of mayonnaise. And then, of course, yung 4 pieces of thai peppers. So, hiwain lang natin siya ng maliliit. And then, yung ating soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. And then, 1 tablespoon of lime. So, mag-a-add pa tayo ng more if kailangan natin ng lime juice later on. And then, of course, yung 2 eggs na gagamitin natin for later. Then, i-mix lang natin siya all together. Hanggang evenly, evenly mix. Yan. Kamayin na natin. Yan, kasi mas effective pagka yung kamay natin ang naghahalo doon sa ating mixture. Okay, so titikman din natin yung ating mixture. Kung kailangan pa ng salt, ng soy sauce, ng konting alat, or ng ground pepper. So, just mix everything together lang. Okay, so in a pan, painitin lang natin siya ng at least 1 minute para maluto lang yung ating onion, kalahati ng onion. Okay, after 1 minute, lalagay na natin yung ating 2 eggs, yung raw eggs, no? Ilagay natin on top of the mixture. And then, iset nyo lang yung inyong oven sa broil. Lalagay nyo sa broil and then low. And then, i-broil lang natin siya ng mga hanggang maging halfway done na yung inyong egg. Like this. Ayan, so kung kailangan natin lagyan ng lime juice, ng calamansi, or lemon juice, pwede naman natin dagdagan. And then, i-break na natin yung ating egg. I-mix natin with pork together. And then, halu-haluin lang natin. Ayan, tikman natin kung okay na, kung pwede pa bang lagyan ng salt or soy sauce. And then, of course, lagay na rin natin yung ating remaining chopped red onions na iniwan natin. Kasi mas masarap kung may raw onion, ano. Yan, i-mix natin siya together. And then, yan, ready nang kainin. Okay, so, pwede natin itong iulam sa kanin, sa steam rice, o kaya fried rice kung gusto nyo. And pwede rin naman natin na kainin lang by itself. I hope you like this video. And please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.